Hey everyone, Gil at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about candles. There are a whole bunch of different candles out there. I've talked about them on the live streams and other videos as well. But just to go over some things with you, there are, a number of types of candles out there are as varying as people's imagination almost. You have everything from the little tea candles to the little bit taller Voda candles, to taper candles, to pillar candles, to block candles. You have, quote, oil candles. You have, what, oil candles? Oh, oil candles where they take like a jar or something, they put a floating wick in it, and they light the wick. And as it goes, burns, the oil goes down. There is, of course, the shortening candle, where you take a big can of Crisco, and you put several taper candles in it, and you light them and let them burn down, and they start burning the Crisco for their fuel. And there are multicolored candles. There's dripping candles, which are not good for emergency preparedness, but they're nice for decorative candles and stuff where the candle actually drips and causes nice little things as it goes down. We use those at Christmas time. There are the little itty bitty, there's birthday candles, but there's the ones that are a lot bigger than birthday candles, about the same size, just look like birthday candles on steroids, and they use those for during Christmas time for the little carousels that run off the heat from it to turn the things and stuff. Like I said, there's a whole bunch of different candles. And then there are the ones that are mold candles. Now, I'm not talking about, black mold or white mold. I'm talking about they're molded into shapes. You got pumpkins, Christmas trees, Easter bunnies, generally they're for, special occasion. They're candles like that. So when it comes to prepping, you want to store extra candles of just about all types, because even though you may not need it for lighting, you may need it for occasions like birthdays, anniversaries, Christmas, Halloween, whatever it is, things to keep people's morale up during a twaki situation. All right, so think about it. Think about what activities, what seasons, whatever it is you need candles for, and make sure you have some to keep everybody's spirits up. All right? So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out doing anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, candles. Learn a new skill, like, hey, perhaps learn how to make candles. And also, try to grow something indoors. We're going to be doing an indoor garden challenge next year. We're going to have a couple $50 gift cards for the winners for 2025. And so now's the time to practice and see what you can grow indoors. All right? Seriously, grow something indoors.